Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Somewhere last week, and I made a story where I say journalists be our Power FM. Wakwa kan sembi ama aposi for atonsa afreno na journalist me friend Oheneba Boama Bene. Na meka sa asem na chemo no meka say reporting on similar issues in Ghana sano. The police etonsa afrewa in their letter no it will just look like an invite. Womo nka say womo baba becho. Wo hwe brofa womo betro e wo letter ni mu a it will look like say oh ya tonsa afre wo de bra na mbisa wonsem keke nakọ. Read the police for invite na ebiasa na wadwen be ye but indirectly okwa ye be chew and I was so console because police are tons afro now police are tons afro journalists we know the police no through Power FM baby a journalist no work can sem no through the management of Power FM now management na said they are also law abiding people need to know now I was say one more penny and my branch no work into cases like that wo sha the say the police don't suffer Crawford. Women call alone, they go with their lawyers because o call alone was so bad shit. Mekas asked no. Now I think it was a Sunday. Monday pepepe wa mutun suffer a branch and so why Monday pepepe and yet say a branch call ya police for say hey ya so mu you detain you ya chow ya do be court. Mekas asked no. Emma Crawford crab because they do make us say hey Melodies they all kind no and I make us say well it is similar. O steady send your Ghana police for a year woman yama. It is sa. Obefi said, "Omo ton safra." Obefi said it's just an invite. So kwa. Omo bise bisa won se mo a won betumi actual se masa actual. Now, a branch here a police for editing na me no ka say. I think he's still. I mean, he has still been detained because Minty News be actually say he release no. More trouble for this particular person. Obefi say a branch here. Again na wo ye. Emma police for Etons afreno. Now, we any some our kind. Yen say Power FM, a radio station bia, a pro NDC radio station. Now, it is that radio station and a Mugabe Masi, one also tena so about can some. Now a branch a co-host was our radio station so. What can some obviously we NDC ni or can some etia ekufado and na buy. Into election year be and a branch what can say. What share about who we are. President Akufo-Addo wiem na President Akufo-Addo nim say ye dey asem no quarter won no President Akufo-Addo be lose nti wa ye meeting with a Chief Justice and the Supreme Court judges 8 President Akufo-Addo meeting ya wa ye with this Supreme Court judges no ni na say wa ka tro mo say NDC for the assembly back quarter munya na mombo asem ningu a very huge allegation about the actual president ni so and so and I was also calling on the military say military no enye coup d'etat because President Akufo-Addo ade awaye no we aba nti ye coup d'etat nti military nso nje enfiri nsem inciting violence nti say when abranti wakan e wo radio so and a CID4 etons afrene say ya makwa ma wo bi embeke kan nsem bi sei na se be Ghana ya so emba mbe ye hye nti wo abranti a wakan sa asem no bra na what threaten President Akufo-Addo kan nsem be threaten President Akufo-Addo nia nti no hunti ena yetonsa efre no now abranche ye ni CID4 nsem no omundi wiye Attorney General abem na debia me explain Attorney General role etremo a akwa say Attorney General officially wo ye aban ni lawyer nti aban nya asem e wo court bia na Attorney General ene kebi ma aban nti wo ye aban lawyer nti no sa na meka no obi ate ase Attorney General abem ama wo mo atwea branch akọ Accra High Court say yemma abranche yen chinu to prison because of contempt ensem a waka efa judges ho no eye contempt nti yen chinu yen fa no to infiase we any the latest on abranche nsensem a akwakosi nti Attorney General adrage no to court for nsem a waka say ebanesen asem we ye ntro na wutwa President Akufo-Addo ne judges enye meeting bia na tre say o pese o ka say judges ne de sebe wo mo ankasa wo mu ni adwen wo mu ni nyansa wo mu de bebu asem was a president and will be influence your more and sana will move to me boy someone and no attorney general I drag your more edio court a day a branch ya court as a go see court no and some attorney general a catcher judge no ever court in or say the respondents contumacious comments were absolutely false as neither the Chief Justice nor any judge had either been to the Jubilee House or met anywhere with the President of Ghana following the declaration of the results of the presidential election. It is the first statement I want to make you a court, Attorney General no. Or since some branch he can say Chief Justice and judges no. Womako share President Akufo-Addo or say yentro na yenko share President Akufo-Addo Jubilee House bia yenshan will be bia yentro. But say his false publication clearly intended to undermine public confidence in the judiciary and administration of justice in Ghana generally, as well as court contempt and disaffection for the courts. As someone Attorney General Kanono, a branch in someone Walkano, a yensembia ebema sebe Ghana for Omabembe bu ewo Supreme Court mu. Nti anyebia se NDC for the Asando Supreme Court. Na wo mko luso meka se sa branch e be kan. A branch e be kan se President Akufo-Addo akwa share judges no. Not just a Supreme Court no. Yeah, my heart has say ende Ghana no. A lot of people have even lost confidence in the Supreme Court. Na yen sam so kan say we mefa Supreme Court humbium not just a confidence no. E be lusu. Nti we ene nsem a Attorney General no. What they echo court what they echo to ho. Now, and so I want to read a violation, a statement that you make it on in some branch what kind. Was see, the Attorney General makes a case that through his publication, Benny wants Oheneba Boama Benny wants to tell the public that judges, including the justices of the Apex Court, decide cases not independently but by taking directives from the president. And then I'm out here, no. Say, a branch in some what kind of indirect person say judges no sabi womu ni nyansa womu de bebu asem. E just a president Akufo-Addo Traoré say asem no bunuma emfa say ansana. That's the implication a branch what the two ja. Was such an assertion the Attorney General argued, if allowed to go unpunished, would amount to gross disrespect for the judiciary, which is a violation of the 1992 Constitution. Was in Sembisi Abranti Yakin say ye jai ni antwe na so a etiaga na mrakra because a disrespect to the judiciary. As some Attorney General no no. According to the Attorney General, Benin knew that there was a possibility of a challenge to the presidential election of the Supreme Court, and therefore, by poisoning the minds of the public against the courts, he wanted to cause disaffection for the courts. Was say that's the respondents' disrespect for the judiciary and publication of false news intended to bring the judiciary into disrepute makes him liable to be committed to prison in order to vindicate the undoubted authority of the judiciary enshrined in Article 125 of the 1992 Constitution. Attorney General affidavit our more esweye our more the court no and some more no. Say branch there was here chinitum. Na ye chinitum sana sabe enkrofo o mayo madwen say wo mumbu court no. Enya by heart and by omon kasa by heart. Na o kan sem we ni na eye. Mama wati ase say wo man Ghana mema wo bia nkan trel. Mema wo bia ndada. Said this country, the laws of this country, it works fairly across all the sections. On paper, it is true. But in reality, the way the law will apply on the opponent, it is not the same thing. Or it is not the same way that law will be used to apply on Obia Sebi Wawa Baimu, a Kasakian American. Me pese me bo asem ne so na akoye say e contempt, but e kasapia and American. If you know what I'm talking about, you know. Ghana has say nyambra no eye adwuma no. Say wo bi wo opposition that is when you see say yes Ghana ye wo mra. Now so sa de we a obi akoye a ende ye de na court a ye kan se yenchi ni ntum na we gu court enimtia no se obi e wa ban mu ekoya a ye nina ye be hu se ni asem ne beko e wo man we mu me se me pese me bo asem ne so maka kasakea se wo ti ase a fa ne sa se wo nti ase nso a I mean that's the most I can do on this particular matter. But send me ni mesremo obi antre na adwo comment box mu me da ase.